Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a Tangerine Chequing and saving account online in 2023. Tangerine Bank, known for its digital banking service, offers a variety of banking products to meet your financial need. So by following the steps in this tutorial, you'll be able to open your Tangerine Chequing and saving account conveniently from the comfort of your home. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. In my case, I'm actually going with the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open your browser, you can simply go to this URL section and then simply type tangerine.ca and hit the enter button, tangerine.ca. So once you do so, of course, you will find yourself at this home screen or main screen. Of course, if you want the French language, you can always go to this top right corner here and click at this FR, and you'll be able to transfer yourself to French if you're familiar yourself with the French instead, or you're used to French instead of English. And of course, once you do so, you'll normally find yourself at this home screen or main screen. So if you have an account, you can simply go and log in into it. Maybe if you have like an account or credit card or something like that with Tangerine, it will be helpful logging in into your account. So you will not get through all the boring steps of like entering your personal information while you want to open your chicken and saving account. And of course, if you don't know much about Tangerine Bank, you can always scroll down and read more about the bank, of course, because a lot of people won't just open a bank account on a random bank that they don't know nothing about. So once you're set and want to start, you can simply go and explore the Tangerine Bank options by scrolling down here, and as you can see, what can we help you with today? So for us, we want just the saving and open a saving and checking account. So of course, for you, you can find here all the product that they offer, including like a VISIN, GICs, credit cards, more gauges and loans, and a lot of other products that you can see all from here if you click on it. As you can see, you'll be able to see everything from here. For us, what we care about is just the saving and checking. So for me, I'm just going to open those two on a new tabs, and let's start by saving. So as you can see, we in the saving account will have many offers. So as you can see, we have the saving account, tax-free saving account, RSP saving account, US dollar saving accounts, RIF saving account, and a special offer. Of course, depending on whatever the features provided by the saving accounts here, you can simply go and click on learn more on the offer that you like, and you'll be able to open your account on that saving option there. So as you can see, looking for a Canadian saving account, signing in and opening a Tangerine saving account is quick, easy, and secure. Earn high interest with a great rate and enjoy safe, simple saving to help you reach your financial goals faster. And you can forget about unfair fees because paying to save just doesn't add up to us. So the daily banking fees charge is $0, and of course the interest paid to Canadians is over $9 billion. And of course, so you'll have to go and read those descriptions depending on whatever suits you. Of course, you'll have to simply go and click on learn more. Let's say, example, I like this offer. Click on learn more. And once you do so, as you can see here, you'll be able to read more information about it. So as an example here, you'll have to read, as you can see, those are going to be the features. So great rates, no infra fees or service charges, no minimum balances, and of course, reach your saving goal faster, depending on the ASP or automatic saving program of this offer. And as you can see, you'll have even more information about it. If you scroll down like the saving calculator here, you'll be able to calculate your saving, etc. And simply, of course, you'll be able to receive your goals and etc. So scroll down, read all this information is provided here, so you'll be aware of everything, and you'll be sure that you want this offer. Once you're done and you want to really open, if you're ready and you want to open saving account here, you can simply go and hit this open an account option. So as you can see, if you're already a client and if you have an account, you can simply go and log in into your account, which will provide from you like less time. But if you don't, you can simply click on no, sign me up. And here, as you can see, signing up is fast, secure, and easy. Scan the QR code using your phone camera. Of course, if you like, as an example, want to use your phone, you can simply scan this QR code, which will let you or get you into the App Store or Google Play, depending on whatever you have, iPhone or Android, and you'll download the app. And of course, you'll have to create your account from there. If you don't want to do so, you simply can go and click as continue signing up on the web. If you click on it, as you can see here, you will have to go and provide your personal information, complete your identity verification, and of course, review and accept the terms and conditions. So simply here, you'll have to set up your profile by entering your personal information and email, etc. As you can see, you can even create your banking PIN. And of course, then you'll have to add your personal information, address, and wrap up by simply verifying your identity, and you will be good to go. So you'll have to wait a bit until your application is submitted. Of course, you'll have to, of course, accept even the terms and conditions and make sure to read them because a lot of people don't. And once you do so, you will have your saving account. Of course, for checking account, it's going to be the same. So if you go to check-in, as you can see, you will have normally one check-in offer for Tangerine Bank. So the daily check-in fees is $0 and interest rates up to 0.1%. So as you can see, your money should work as hard as you do. That's why we offer a no-fee daily checking account that gives you free daily checking transactions and pays you interest on every dollar in your account. So simply, again, you'll have to go and read all those informations here. And as you can see, you'll find even show more. So read all those informations on those page. As you can see, you'll find here like the features that comes with this checking account and everything. And once you're satisfied with everything and ready, you can simply go and hit like the open account option. And normally, if you created your account on saving account, so you'll normally have an account, you can simply go for yourself, click on log me in, and you'll have to enter your credentials here for personal. If you have a business, you can simply go to business. And of course, this will save you a lot of time while you are creating your checking account. But if you don't have it, you can simply always go to no sign in. And if you want to get the app, go and get it. If you don't, click on continue signing up with the web and simply do the same, fill up your personal informations and verify your identity, review the terms and conditions and accept it, and you will be good to go. You will simply have your Tangerine account or Tangerine saving and checking account. Once you open your both accounts, of course, you can go and explore other options, example, other Tangerine Bank features and services, depending on whatever you need. And of course, that concludes our tutorial on how to create a Tangerine checking and saving account online in 2023. We hope this guide has been helpful in getting you started with your Tangerine Bank account. Remember to keep your login credentials secured and stay informed about Tangerine Bank latest offering and updates. So thank you for watching and wish you all the best with your Tangerine checking and saving accounts. Of course, if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorial like this one. And I'll see you in the next video.